Hi everyone, hope you are all doing good. There is an announcement for everyone. Most of you were asking about the hard copy of the books, for the books which are launched from Yashaswi Vaani, both for adults as well as the children. Yes, now we have a hard copies. May not be that is the right hard copies that you are looking for. This is not from the publications. I'm unable to get the publisher for my books, but still we have a good hard copy for you, and here are the books. So let me show you the books. The first one is the Spoken Kannada book, the part 1. This is a little bit heavier one, but I will try to make it a bit simple one for you. This is one of the book, and this is Kannada tenses book. So as you can see, this is really wonderful for the children. They feel really comfortable because writing and practicing is something really different, right? So this book, and also with this book, I'll always recommend you to go with this book. So this is a transliterated version, as you can see here. This has a many more concepts. So and also a bigger font. Yes, so if you are looking for a tense book, go with both these books, and any script writer for adult also you can take this book. This for tenses. Then you have for a beginners. So for beginners, if you are looking for outside the copywriting books and all, that will be little difficult for even the parents to teach their children. These books, as you can see, it's a transliterated version. That means I'll show you. So you have a letters like this, you have a grammar, little bit of a grammar is also given, and everything is mentioned in English. And if you see, this is a Kannada one and this is a English. This is a translated version I'm speaking about basically. So whatever you see here, it's basically, I'll just show you. There are few words. If the child is reading this word, the parent can help, and they will get to know that whether the children is reading right or not. So this is a use of a transliterated version. This is a level 1 book which will be having the concept. We have covered the concepts here. You can see the concepts here. All these concepts are covered in this book. And similarly we have a level 2 book. Level 2 we have a Kagunita and all those things. So if you can see, all these concepts are covered, and this is really helpful for the children. You have a similar words, and it is being written in English. They have a practice sheet here. They can practice many more things, right? So this is a level 1 and level 2, especially curated from Yashaswi Vaani. I have designed this one for the beginners. Even adults, beginners, they can use this book. And this is the storybook, most of you know. And with this book, you can even buy the vocabulary book, which will be really helpful. As the children learn the reading and writing, they can also add on the vocabulary, so which will be really helpful actually. And again, a bigger font book will help them a lot. So this is a vocabulary book, and this is a children's storybook, level 1 and the level 2. And sorry, this is a transliterated version, new version. This is storybook level 1 and level 2. What is the use of this one and this one, I'll let you know. So if you observe the stories here, you have simple stories. Once the child finishes that book, the level 1 and level 2, this one, right, they can go up with this one, because this will help them to read and write. And also when the child completes the tenses practice, they can even opt for this book. That will help them to help them in framing the sentences. So if you observe, we have a 3-line stories in the level 1 stories. In the level 2 stories, you have a 4-line stories. So there is a 2 level 1 stories. So what is the difference is, here if you observe the 3-line, whatever I told you, if you come in the same in this book, you have in the transliterated version. Every story in Kannada will be mentioned in English also, which will help the parent to understand what the child is reading. The parents can literally help the children by sitting along with them. So this is a use of a transliterated book of a story, level 1. Level 2 is not available right now. I'm working on the level 2 for transliterated. But the Kannada version is there. You can go with the Kannada version of the level 2. So these are the books which is being launched, curated and designed by me from Yashaswi Kannadavaani for every one of you. Please make use of these hard copies. Please drop a message to me in the comment box, or write a mail to me, or send a WhatsApp message, whichever is comfortable for you. Make sure that you will mention which book you needed, and there will be a little extra cost added on this one than the soft copies. Thank you so much. Hope this will be helpful for you. Please make sure that you will like this video, and do not forget to share with your friends who are really struggling to learn Kannada and to improve their grammar, vocabulary, and basically the English proficiency. So thank you so much. Namaskara. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.